Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel Bright Black Bulb. Today's video is all about how to get more subscribers by avoiding these 3 mistakes. These mistakes will for sure keep your channel down because people will not subscribe like that. Watch this video to find out what these 3 big mistakes are. Now this is a part 9 to the mini-series that I'm doing on this channel. If you haven't watched the previous 8 videos, make sure to watch them as I shared many tips on how to start a YouTube channel from scratch and gave you guys many proven methods on how to get more views and subscribers. The link to all these 8 videos are going to be in the description. Make sure to subscribe and turn your post notification on so you don't miss anything related to this mini-series, as I will be uploading more videos. Okay, that's enough. Let's get into today's video. There are 3 things that you might be doing that causes people not to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Now I have seen many people do these 3 mistakes which leads to people not subscribing to your channel and therefore they quit YouTube. The main reason of why I'm making this video is because many people online keep saying that they make many videos, but why people are not subscribing to their channel? Or why do they watch my videos but not subscribe? What is the reason? Well, I'm going to answer that questions and then we can see how many of us are guilty of making these mistakes and try to fix them so we can get more subscribers and viewers. Number 1 is posting comments that are spam. For example, I have got many comments saying, hey, check out my video, or hey, nice video, come check out my channel, or hey, this is a great video, take a look at my videos and let me know what you think. Now before I go any further, I understand that almost all YouTube videos which are targeted for new YouTubers say that you need to post comments on other people's video. This is one of the solutions that is spread on YouTube, and they tell you that commenting on other videos will get you more traffic to your channel, and that is absolutely right. But keep in mind that it needs to be done in the right way. If you are really trying to get people to watch your videos on your YouTube channel, you have to have good comments, not just spam comments. And by good comments, I mean thoughtful comments. You cannot just go search a video on YouTube and then comment, hey, check out my video. Now let me tell you why this is bad. When someone does that on my channel, I instantly hide that user's comment from the channel. The reason why I do this is because I am the person in charge of my community, so it is my responsibility to keep my comment section free from spam and other garbage that might annoy other people in the comment section. Let me clarify a point here. I know that some people have started a new YouTube channel and hear the tip that says leave comments on other people's YouTube videos, and they interpret that in a different way and they end up commenting links or hey, check out my videos comment. I understand that some people may get confused. What you actually need to do to get more traffic from your comments is to make comments that make you engaged in the conversation that is going on. Make yourself become an active participant on YouTube. Try to say real things that you think about the video, not just jump in there and drop random spam comments. If you want to get traffic from your comments, be a part of the community. I repeat, do not spam. When you comment, people can see your username, and if they are interested, they will take a look at your channel. A quick tip that I can give you guys is to try to have an eye-catching channel logo, because when you comment, people can see that logo and it may grab their attention and cause them to come to your channel. Number 2 is upload schedule. Now I cannot stress that how much important this one is. Many people are guilty of not uploading videos when they should. There are many YouTubers that will leave for several months before uploading a video, and then after uploading they will disappear again. And I myself have also not uploaded on some days that I was supposed to do. So because of that, I know that by not uploading, I'm hurting my subscriber count, my view count, and I know for a fact that I'm hurting my input on YouTube's algorithm to send me more traffic, because I'm not uploading on the upload days I should. The main reason of why I'm exposing myself is because I want you guys who are watching this video to get more subscriber, traffic and viewers. So to give you a summary of that, make sure to upload regularly so that people can count on your content coming out. And then most important reason is to get that blessing from the YouTube's algorithm. When you upload regularly, what happens is that you bring more people into YouTube and more people watch your videos, which is what YouTube algorithm loves. I did a video on how to use YouTube's algorithm in order to boost your views. Check that link in the description. Number 3 is content. Now everyone tells you content is the king of them all, and that is absolutely true. Now every single one of your videos that you make need to be professional. If you have 10 subscribers, you should make your video in a way that it looks like you have 10,000 subscribers. The key here is to produce top-notch content. Now, this shows the viewer that you care about them and you make your content as good as you possibly can. By doing that, people are going to watch your videos, drop a comment, or if they like your content, they may subscribe to your channel. You have to think about your content. You have to make content that is good. You have to make content that shows your viewers that you care enough about them and respect them. That will for sure make people to stick around your channel, and where more people are there, you will get more viewers, subscribers, and many comments. You need to focus on making quality content that helps people. You will definitely get more subscribers and viewers. And that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button and comment down below any more methods that you think are helpful. Finally, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to get notified every single time I upload videos. Until next time, peace.